Hey Janvi, what are you doing? Let's go to the backyard and play badminton.
Hey Akshay! No, right now I am busy. I want to complete this chapter.
What is this chapter all about?
This chapter is about sentences. Akshay, you don't know what a sentence is?
I think so. Isn't it something that makes complete sense?
That's right. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense on its own. For example, I like to play with my toy. It's a sentence because it makes complete sense.
Oh, I understand now. It's like when I say, I love ice cream. This is a sentence, as it's giving a complete meaning.
Exactly, Akshay. That's a perfect sentence too. Now at the end of a sentence, we use something called a full stop.
What's a full stop?
A full stop is a punctuation mark that we use at the end of a sentence to show that it's finished.
Got it. So, a full stop tells us that the sentence is finished.
Now Akshay, do you know what this is?
Is it a circle with a dot at the bottom?
No Akshay, it's called a question mark. We use it at the end of a sentence which is in the form of a question.
Oh, I see. Like when I ask, can we go to the park?
Exactly. Can we go to the park is a question, so we put a question mark at the end.
I understand now. So a question mark is used for asking questions.
Akshay, you are doing a great job as you are learning about sentences, full stops and question marks.
Thanks, Janvi. It's fun learning with you.
Now that we know all about sentences, full stops and question marks, let's practice making our own sentences.
Yes, that sounds like fun. Let's get started.